awareness of the situation to us. I am happy that he's passing along to the senator as well.
Okay, namni nuti waa himuu barbaadu sin dhageenyaa jedhaniiranii namni tokkotti dubbadhaa. Inuu waliin mari'anneerraa isinirraa dhaga'uu barbaadanii namni tokkotti dubbadhaa.
We have been doing that for a long time. This guy who is Prime Minister of Ethiopia now, he cheated the nation of Ethiopia. He is lying. He said, I will not do any killing. I will not put anybody in the jail. No, he is killing children from 6 years up to old people. This is clear all over you. If you listen to Al Jazeera and the others, and you can get this message from any kind of media. That is why we are here in this cold weather, just to pass this message to this office.
Thank you.
Please, they are cheating what they get from America and cheating the people to divide the people. They are divided. He is divided. He is lying. He said, I don't do any more killing. He is killing out. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
One more.
We are here to United States government to stop supporting the Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed. We all hope the transitions will give inequality and opportunity for all of us. But he is starting to build his own prestige to continue his dominating. There is no rule of law in our countries, specifically the Oromos, the Kmant, the Agaw, specifically targeted and killing everywhere. Thousands of people are in prisons. The corruption is rampant. There is no rule of law. He's building different prisons. He's buying people with the money. He bribed with the money. He uses all the monies. Especially he's getting a lot of funds from the United States. We appeal to the United States government. There is no democracy. There is no support. And there must be the rule of law. The hope was the elections. It looks like there is no election at this time. That is why we are coming here. It's not only here in the United States, not only in Seattle, in Washington DC, in Dallas, Toronto, Ottawa, Melbourne, Canberra, all over the world, Oromos have voices to the voice of people. So we hope the Americans will look into this, the circumstances in Ethiopia, follow attentively and make possible corrective measures. Otherwise, everybody will be in Ethiopia will be in danger.
Just a short really appreciate the program they did for us for demonstration. It's so very happy, so this is a big city in Minnesota, which is very business perspective. And on the business days, the road is closed before us. Our kids come and safe with us. People left because it was cold and 1,000 people are spending over here. So we're so happy about this. I wish our friend, the Prime Minister of Ethiopia, came in. This is what we have. Our kids and students are dying in the street. Just saying, I'm a woman. So that's why when I say not so they have to start.
Thank you for your words.
Actually, we're mentioning about the
you see.
so this is the main These are 5 news.
And we have copies of those.
They have a copy of this information.
Yes.
Kenneef.
Students, the 5 brothers and sisters in one day. One killed one day in one house. At the same time.
1 hour.
Yeah, they are brother and sister. The father live in North Seattle here. The sister father live in North Seattle here.
There is also another very important star, Prime Minister when he came to make it happen. Not only on the world, and getting Nobel Prize, which is now showing all the world is so negative. And invite all our activists, the very powerful activists we are, they are sent to God. They are ready to move from there to God. So especially activists is going to be very big problem with it. So USA have to stop
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you very much for your time. Hey, do Garil. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you. Hey, Margi. Thank you.